Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I have a genius apple cider vinegar cleaning and life hacks for you that I bet you didn't know. And also the last hack, number 8, is going to be one of the dirtiest places in your bathroom. Can you guess what it is? And no, it's not your toilet. Let us know in that comments box below. All right, number 1. I know this seems really strange, but do you have hard water lines in your toilet or stains that you cannot get out? If you're wondering what those things are, they're like cotton swabs, but they're cotton discs, cotton rounds. You could actually stick. They actually stick. That's why I love them, because cleaners, they just drain down into the toilet and the spots that you need clean don't stick. So here's what I want you to do. Get yourself some apple cider vinegar, put it in a spray bottle, much like this, and you're gonna spray the spots that need cleaning, and you're gonna let that sit for as long as possible. If you have bad hard water stains and lines, you're gonna let that sit all night long, and then you're gonna come back the next day. I would not recommend flushing these down the toilet, so get yourself a good glove and then clean your toilet per usual. And in fact, to clean your toilet, you can just spray some more of this right down in there and get to work. Ooh, this next one is a goodie. Do you have soap scum and mold along your shower line? Again, just get yourself some apple cider vinegar, plop it in place just like so. You can use cotton balls, but these things are absolutely amazing. Spray as needed, let it sit. When you come back, you can actually use this to wipe it up. Moldy or disgusting shower curtain that you can't get that raunchy mildew smell out of, have no fear, my friend. All you need is some apple cider vinegar. Put about half a cup to a cup in the softener dispenser of your washing machine with any shower curtain that you have, and it will look and smell like new. And as a bonus, it's gonna help clean and freshen up your washing machine too. Sinks, and more sinks. This one's actually looking pretty nice, but my kids like to leave their spit up toothpaste in here. I have 4 kids, if you are new, by the way. Again, just a little apple cider vinegar goes a long way. You don't have to dilute this. I generally do not dilute my apple cider vinegar. I want full force, full strength, and go in per usual, cleaning out all, like, what is this? What is this right here? Yuck! You know what also is really dirty? The knobs in your house. I like the little abrasiveness from the cotton here. Clean all of your light switches up. They will smell fresh, they will be deodorized, and they'll be looking like new. Glass and fiberglass shower doors, especially the tracks down here. You can clean the glass just like so. You can get in the tracks just like that. Grab yourself whatever towel scrubbing device that you're using. Again, I'm just using more of these right here. And you can clean anywhere in your shower and remove those water spots. See this right here? Ooh, do 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 do. Yes, yes, oh yes. Last 2 apple cider genius hacks that you need to know. Okay, I got this top off here because I'm going to show you something in just a second. But let's just see if we can spray this for the next one that we're going to do. Yay, victory. All right, if you have a stinky room, house, garage, closet, whatever you name it, much like you leave baking soda in your refrigerator open, you can also just leave your open apple cider vinegar and it will do the same thing as your baking soda. Okay, last one right here, the dirtiest place in your bathroom. Are you ready? I don't know if you believe this. Your towel rack. This is wet and moist, and that's where bacteria likes to grow and live, and it's dark underneath your towel. You need to be cleaning these towel racks every day. No, I'm just kidding. As often as possible. I don't clean mine every day. But yes, you want to be cleaning this area. I know you cannot see the little things growing underneath here, but wet, dark, breeding ground for disgusting stuff. Now, if you're wondering what happens when you put apple cider vinegar on your feet, click the video on screen now. Give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the weekly newsletter, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.